How's it going, everyone? We are Universal Fiber Optics. We are a commercial low voltage company here based in Las Vegas, Nevada. We are at one of our clients' new office. Our client wanted to extend their network from their original building to this new building behind me. And in order to do that, we had installed a unified airFiber unit on each of the buildings. This will allow the buildings or the networks to talk to each other and our client not have to order another internet circuit here at the new building, saving them tons of money. So let me walk you through how we did it and let's get to it.
Let's start with some background on these devices. The Ubiquiti airFiber units are essentially a wireless bridge. It provides a wireless point-to-point connection between two locations. It's to act as if a wire connected the two locations together. We specifically went with these units because of the full duplex capability. The Ubiquiti product line is used in a lot of these situations to extend networks to other locations. It's a great solution for our customers to save money and to lessen network complexity rather than going through the internet provider to connect their internal networks. That can get pricey and it can get complicated very fast. Well, let's get back to this install. Here we are in the new building, and as you can tell, the network setup at this end isn't complete yet, because it's a brand new installation and it's the brand new building to our customer. Here you can see our shielded Cat6 cable and our management cable, which is directly connected to the airFiber unit on the roof. The black cable provides the actual data traffic coming from the airFiber units, while the blue cable allows us to access the unit for any necessary configurations. This is especially convenient as it saves us from having to work on the roof, which is a relief considering the high temperatures here in Las Vegas. It also can be networked if the MSP decides to do that, and they can access it remotely. So this building will house the slave airFiber unit. It connects wirelessly to the master airFiber unit at the original building. Core of the network is located in the original building. The core of the network just means that this is where all the data traffic eventually reaches. This is where the router and distribution switch lives, along with the internet circuit and any other critical devices. So in order for clients in the new building to reach the internet, they must traverse this airFiber unit. Or if an employee needs to access any internal servers that lives at the core of the network, it'll also have to traverse these airFiber units. So these airFiber units are essential to the operation of the network in this new building. Without these airFiber units, their technology in this building will not work properly or connect to the network, which has the potential to impact their business.
So we're on the roof of the new building, quite the ways up. You can see our airFiber unit here. We got it mounted. We still have to dress some of the cables. So yeah, we have a stand there. We have a pipe coming up. airFiber is mounted right there. Transmit and receive radios. And it shoots all the way back through these trees. Over there, it's hard to see. We got the cinder blocks holding it down, management and data, and then we have it grounded as well. Here's another one here on this side, an ISP provider, internet provider. That's their radio. Yeah, we had to do some adjustments. It took a few hours to install because we had to bring all these bricks up the side of the building and bring up this pipe, and this airFiber is not light at all. So far, we're pretty happy with the install. You can see the birds have already did their thing on this and everywhere else on this roof. But yeah, so far so good. Like I said, we're very happy with this. All right, now we have the management cable plugged in to our laptop so we can view the settings on the airFiber unit. Just some quick things that we did to optimize it. In the slave unit, we set the power to 42 duplex, full duplex. We have a channel bandwidth of 50 megahertz, 256 QAM, which actually worked great for us. We were at 10x or 1024 QAM, and actually we were getting slower speeds on that modulation. A few other settings, but in our homepage, you can see our change here, negative 33, 31. We haven't had any problems. We're only 827 feet away from the master unit, and some other great stats and data. Right now there is no data being pushed, obviously, because this side of the network isn't set up, but we have a capacity of 512 megs receive and transmit. Those are just some of our settings that we set up for this side, and it's pretty much mirrored on the master unit. We decided to move the PoE injector into the IDF. If you look at the unified manual for the airFibers, it mentions to leave them up on the roof or as close to the unit as possible, and we tested that and we have not seen a difference in performance at all. So in order to save this PoE injector and make it last longer instead of leaving it in the sun, we decided to bring it down in here. If that does need to be changed, that's not a big deal. There are some outlets on the roof of the building that we can plug into. For now, we're going to keep it here, and of course when they plug in their network or install the network, we'll dress up everything nicely and make it look good. Data coming out of the PoE injector here. So this goes up to, like I mentioned, this goes up to the airFiber. this blue cable would be the uplink for the network here. So we're doing a quick test right into our laptop. 450 download, 450 upload, about 450 megs upload and download on Google. And we did a speed test here on Ookla. 450 down, 434 up. So those are very, very good speeds to come over the airFiber. So we're very happy with that.